Just want to show you how easy it is um, to do it. What's up, everybody? It's Billy here with Stats Marketing and Design. Today, I just want to talk a little bit about web design and how easy it is for anybody to do it. Um, whether you have no experience or very little experience, or you're expert at it. This is mainly for those that are just getting into it or thought about getting into it. I just want to show you how easy it is um, to do it, basically. Let me share my screen with you here. All right, so this is the Cheetah Builder. This is what I use to create my websites. Um, it's one of the fastest on the market today. We're going to go down here to unpublished, create new site. You got an option of simple or smart. In this example, we're going to use simple. I'm going to hit choose. All right, so over here in the left-hand corner, these are all my options for pages on a website. But any kind of niche you can think of is on here. We'll go to Site Express. So these are Site Express is your basic websites, 1 to 2 pages, um, sometimes 3 or 4, but it's basic Site Express small website. So we'll go to Preview first, so that way you can see what it is. We'll hit About Us, goes to another page. Services goes to another page. Hit Contacts, it's going to go to a contact page. So that way you get the full effect on what the website's going to look like. We're going to go and select this website. Hit Save. It says we're building your website. All right, so it just generated 4 pages from my website here. We're going to go into the first one and edit that. Okay, so now I'm just going to make a few changes on here just to show you kind of how it works. We're going to double click in this box, the text box here. We'll say this is Billy's Candy Express. If I can type. All right, I'm going to click out of the box because I want to expand this, kind of drag it up a little bit. We'll move that here. All right, this is the one I want to adjust. Okay, there we go. Check out of it. All right. So I want to adjust this one here. All right, so I'm going to hit save. You can either, it just saved it and asks if you want to publish it. You can either hit not now or that's fine. I'll hit that's fine. I want to publish it just so I can show you guys. Now I'm going to go to the website. So this is a live website now. So you can see how quick that was to do it. But you can change any of these pictures, any of the text that you want. It just gives you an idea as to where to start and gives you examples. So that way it's easy for you to get set up. Now I'm just going to make another change here. That way we can keep track of the website. Let's do site settings and we'll change it to Billy's Candy Express. All right, so I'm going to hit save. All right, so I just changed the name of my website here. We'll go back into my Cheetah Builder. Here it is right here. Let me close out of this. We'll go to website. There we go. That's it. It's that simple. It's obviously the more that you do it, the quicker you're going to be, the easier it's going to get. It can, it can get a little overwhelming if it's something new that you've never done, but it definitely gets easier. So, um, I'll go into more in-depth training on other more of the web design and more building websites. Um, and there's other applications that I use to build other websites as well. Like we have a super checkout and stuff like that too to create a online store. So I'll definitely share that with you in another training. But if you like the content that I shared with you today, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I upload a new video. I'm trying to do it at least once a week, so for you guys. But that's it for now. Until the next one, I'll see you guys later.